So, wow. Louise, what did you think?
Oh, so that was such a stunning performance. It was really emotional, especially at the beginning. You know, you were very, very internal with it, and I was praying, oh, please open your eyes at some point so that you could connect it to us. But the first part was really lovely and soft. You showed your light and shade off amazingly. Your lower register, we've always said, is just absolutely stunning, but you got to show off a little bit of falsetto in that. There were a couple of like little iffy notes at the end, but you've done so well all the way through, it really wasn't that noticeable. But yeah, I thought it was a really, really good effort, and it's a different type of song to what you've done all the way through the season, so you really showed us a different side of your voice, so very, very proud of you. Well done.
Thank you.
Ricky, what did you think of Zoe's performance?
So we're going to be honest, I loved it. I really did love it. Say, like Louise said about your lower range, you got really good control in your lower range, and I like that little huskiness you got in the lower range as well. It's lovely. I could listen to you all day. I really got to buy one of your albums. I really enjoyed that. And Louise said, you know, there's iffy notes at the end. You could say there were iffy notes, but you could also say it was passion. You could say, you know, when you come to an end or something, you feel like you're going to cry. You know, it was kind of like that. So I felt passion in the notes, if you know what I mean. I love the power in your vocal. I really do love the power in your vocal. And before I sign off, I've got to say your lashes are banging.
Kelly, what do you think? What do you think, Cal?
I thought it was a really emotional performance. It was so beautiful, and it was the way that you sort of like just showed your voice off. You showed absolutely everything. I loved how you flipped from your chest voice into your head voice during, like, you know, the second chorus. I think it just showed off how much variety you've got, and how far you've come since we last saw you. You know, the growth and the maturity in your voice, and that beautiful lower register. It's just so nice to hear you in a live setting, because you just don't get that feel online, you know, and we've missed that, especially from you. You do it so well, just the way you conduct yourself. It was just so beautiful and so elegant, and I felt every single word as if that song meant a lot to you. That's how you portrayed it. So I think you should be immensely proud of what you just did.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I mean, you know, considering you're not first in this final, this, you know, you've all been singing from home for the last couple of months, so this is a big, big moment. So I expect nerves from everyone in the vocals and stuff. But I have to say, you know, in terms of what we've seen of you before and what you're at now, there was definitely, so I did look over to Louise at one point and Kelly, because there's definitely a change in what I see of you on that stage now from what I've ever seen. And it's always something that I wanted to see, which is you to just let go and just completely go into it. I don't care if you don't get the notes right. The fact of you leaving go and letting yourself open up like that makes a difference. And I can see you then where Ricky picked up the passionate side, because there were parts of that where you did break a little bit in that. It sounded like you were so connected to it, it was meant to break. So it was the way you kind of threw your voice with it, you know, even when you went for them notes, you managed to pull that, like, you know, do you know what, I'm in this moment, I gotta go for it, I gotta stay focused, I gotta go for it. Perfect song choice for you. And yeah, oh wow, what a start to this part of the night. Well done, Zoe.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Well done. Round of applause for Zoe, guys.